Welcome back to the channel. I am Sanskrit Das, working as a legal intern under Lexis & Company, and I am pursuing BBA LLB from Christ University, Pune. My topic for today is deficiency of service. So, according to Section 2, subsection 42 of the Consumer Protection Act, service means service of any description which is made available to potential users and includes but not limited to the provisions of facilities in the connection with banking, finance, insurance, transport, processing, supply of electrical or other energy, telecom, boarding or lodging, or both, housing, construction, entertainment, amusement, or the purveying of news or other information, but does not include the rendering of any service free of charge or under a contract of personal service. And according to Section 2 of subsection 11 of the Consumer Protection Act, deficiency means any fault, imperfection, shortcoming, or inadequacy in the quality, nature, and manner of performance which is required to be maintained by or under any law for the time being in force or has been undertaken to be performed by a person in pursuance of a contract or otherwise in relation to any service, and includes: number 1, any act of negligence or omission or commission by such person which causes loss or injury to the consumer, and number 2, deliberate withholding of relevant information by such person to the consumer. Deficiency in service by airlines. In terms of Rule 135 of the Aircraft Rules 1937, airfares are established having regard to factors such as cost of operation, characteristics of service, reasonable profit, and the general prevailing tariff. The government has permitted services to the unbundled and chargeable separated on an opt-in basis. Rules and liabilities air carriages are subject to in respect of flight delays and regulations, denied boarding, lost damages, or destroyed luggage. A famous case for deficiency of service is Nikhil Nirmal and another versus Indigo Airlines and others. In this case, the complaint was filed alleging deficiency in service as well as unfair trade practice. The complainants were restrained from boarding at the scheduled flight in spite of issuance of boarding pass and necessary security check on the ground that the complainant were carrying prohibited articles, namely power bank. Thank you.